am Miss Laura, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make a cube in 6 different ways. First, we are going to make a diamond, a sideways diamond with 2 lines almost even as you can. And make your one and a little farther than the others. And then make a line across that and that. You can do some little details on your box, like put stuff on it, like I'm just showing you how to make a box right now. B-O-X, box. Now we are going to put a box around the box. There. Now we're gonna write speaker. Speaker. Now we're gonna draw a speaker. Same thing. A sideways diamond, 2 evenish lines, down, that. And we're gonna put a circle right there and tiny little dots in it. Speaker. Boom, 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 boom. Now we are going to write dice. D-I-C-E. Same thing, but a little smaller. There is the dice. Now we are going to make some room because this is a long word. Building in. We're going to draw a small flat triangle sideways diamond right there. And instead of making it kind of like dice, we're going to do 2 long sides. And the middle one is the longest. Ta-da! The line, and we're gonna write Rubik's Cube, and I have one right here. Rubik's Cube! And now we're gonna draw the littlest sideways diamond. 2 lines.